business out there. This is Anushka Ranjan from Wedding Pulao. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bisc, it's showtime.
Hello Biskiners, another day, and we have a talent with us today. A well-known model who's almost 5 feet and 10 inches tall, with sharp features, full of confidence and looks born for the camera. I'm sure you've already guessed. Please welcome with us Anushka Ranjan. A very warm welcome, Anushka.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing great, Anushka. Thanks for asking. How have you been?
Very good, and a big hello to all the Biskiners out there. I'm super excited to be talking to you right now.
Oh, thank you so much, Anushka, and a big congratulations on your debut, Wedding Pulao. You know, Anushka, we have been waiting to talk to you. You're looking gorgeous. I'm sure you've already got compliments for your acting and your looks in the movie. From a model to an actor, come on, share with us your journey. What inspired you to be an actor?
You know, honestly, I've always been really attracted to the film industry. It's such a beautiful world. It's super hardworking, you know, unlike what people believe that it's very easy to be an actor. It's a very, very tough life. But I think the tougher it is, the better it feels when you achieve what you want. So I think that was something that got me really excited about getting into acting. I love modeling. I traveled a lot for modeling within India, internationally as well. So that was something I was enjoying a lot. Luckily, it was not something that I had to work hard because I had a height, so that made it a little easier. And also, I did modeling as something that I was enjoying, not like a way to make money or anything. So it was an amazing, amazing journey. I met some beautiful girls, very nice people. And yeah, it was just an amazing, it's been fun until now.
Okay, wow. Tell us, how did the Wedding Pulao ever fall in place? What's its recipe?
Oh, the recipe is a very interesting recipe. It has a beautiful mixture of amazing songs by Salim Sulaiman. There's a South Indian aspect, rice to it, which is my co-star Bigan. There's a Punjabi tadka to it, which is Karan Grover.
Yes.
And then there's Haryani masala, which is me. So there's a mixture of lots of ingredients, lots of laughter, fun, happiness, a little bit of emotion. So I think that's what makes Wedding Pulao what it is, because it's such a beautiful mixture of so many emotions which you face, you know, in your day-to-day life. So it makes it very relatable to a person who's watching our film and who has watched our film. So I think it's a very, it's a treat for everyone.
You don't come from a family of actors. Yes, your father and your mother, Sashi and Anu Ranjan, they are the founders of ITA, but nothing to do with acting. How was it having your father around on the sets, you know, your family coming over, and that too on your first project?
It was fun actually, and the thing was that my dad has always been like a mentor to me, and he's my biggest critic. So it was nice to kind of have him on set, because at any point when I was stuck, he would tell me, you know, what to do, and if he didn't like something, he was the only one who could honestly and blatantly tell me that, you know what, it's not working, so change it or whatever. So it was nice to have him on set. When my sister and mom came, it was like a little vacation, because all of us used to chill and hang out. And so my dad was the one taking all the stress while we were just like chilling and having a good time. But it was beautiful. This whole experience was really nice shooting this film, because all of us became really good friends by the end of it. So it literally felt like, you know, it didn't feel like we were acting. It was like what we were in real life, we kind of portrayed on screen.
Okay, so in that case, did you design your own character by yourself? Was it natural? You know, you model yourself. Did you take care of how your looks should come out? Did you decide on the cast?
I did take a keen interest in almost all the aspects of the film. And when it came to the clothes, etc., because I felt like I had a better idea than maybe the director or the producer, because they were men, you know, so they would not know what is the correct thing for a girl. So I used to do the lookbooks for me and my other co-stars, and so I tried my best to, you know, make the most of this experience, because as it was a home production, I had the liberty to, you know, poke around in all the fields, like, you know, what go into making a film. So I think I have a decent idea of filmmaking now, and it was a really nice experience. Like, I'm really glad that happened.
So that's awesome. Being an actor, being part of Bollywood per se, it has its own perks, so, you know, kind of pros and cons. Are you already facing the whole link up thing with any other actor, or, you know, are you being asked, you know, Wedding Pulao, are you also going to offer yourself as a mix? Are you going to do bold scenes or just rom-com, or, you know, what are you facing? Tell us about your journey.
As of now, luckily, I'm not facing any link-ups, so I'm glad about that. Like, I'm happy. That's enough for another time, I'm guessing. But it's been like I'm looking out for a lot more work and different kind of work. So I am in talks with a few people about that.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't want to just stick to rom-coms because I feel like I can do justice to different kinds of roles, and why not give it a shot?
Okay.
That's about it. So I'm just like trying my best to do everything that I can do and like do the best of it.
Okay, perfect. Any new projects that we should already know about?
Right now, can't really say anything, but very soon it should be out there. Just like, the last stages are going on, and very soon it should be out there.
Your favorite drink?
My favorite drink would be Diet Coke. I love Diet Coke.
And let's say you'd love to travel a lot. So your favorite destination?
Dubai.
Okay. Favorite actor?
Sanjay Dutt.
Actress?
Actress, I'd say Tabu.
Okay. Your favorite pastime?
Pastime, I don't know, I guess reading.
Okay. In that case, which is your favorite book?
My favorite book is The Da Vinci Code and Norwegian Word.
Okay. And your mantra for life?
Mantra for life. My mantra for life is just live, let live, chill and have fun.
Anushka, we thank you so much for your time. Just before we let you go, any message for our Biskiners, and we would love to see you soon again.
I just want to say lots and lots of love to whoever's seen the film over there, and whoever hasn't, please do watch it. And this is just the beginning, and hopefully you'll see lots more of me.
Perfect. We wish you all the very best, Anushka, and I'm sure you're going to continue to sizzle the screen. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you for calling. Thank you.